Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Giordano. Welcome to my weekly update. We're actually deep into July already, so well over halfway through the year. Hard to believe. 2024 is over, halfway gone, and we're steaming into the balance, and we'll be seeing the fall in another month or so. The market doesn't typically change too much. It actually picks up a little bit more in the fall than it does over the June, July season. So that's going to be good for some sellers. I've got some properties coming on the market, which I'll talk about. But the sales are great, and we had some good open house activity. So let me talk first about this article that came out in the Milpitas Post last week. It's entitled, "Know Your Realtor in This Current Market." That couldn't be more true. As you look for a realtor in the local Milpitas area, I hope that you Google me, Debbie Giordano, and you look at my statistics and my rating on Google and other sites to see that I rank very, very high as a local expert in Milpitas. I not only have lived in the community more than 65 years, I've attended all the Milpitas schools. I've had a career as 45 years as a broker in Milpitas, served 12 years on our local Milpitas City Council as an elected official, and has served on a lot of other commissions and boards. So I know a lot about the Milpitas community and what great schools we have, great area for commuting. That's an attraction for a lot of buyers coming into the community. Our prices are favorable. The median price is around 1.6 to 1.7 for an average single-family home, which is still good, bringing in a lot of buyer activity. So I thought that was a really great article. Contact me for information if you want to know more about your Milpitas property that you want to list or sell. So let's talk about what's happening and closing really quickly here in Milpitas. I've got 379 Laguna Drive in Milpitas. That'll be closing next week at $1.7 million. 412 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas, closing at $1,675,000. That one did appraise at $1,680,000. It's going to be great. 1886 Shenandoah Avenue in Milpitas. That was listed at $1,498,000. That's closing at $1,510,000. Then I just sold this last week 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. That's a Chappelle Home, 2150 square feet. So it's on the smaller side of the homes that are out in that area. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a bedroom and bath downstairs. That's the one I talked about the last few weeks. We did new painting in and out, new landscaping, new flooring, new carpet. Really didn't do any major upgrade in terms of bathroom or kitchen remodeling, but I listed that at $2,398,888. I had 8 offers on it, and we're closing actually very shortly in a week and a half at $2,610,000. So that was really, really great. Then coming up this weekend, got a couple properties listed for sale. The duplex at 1352 to 1358 Chupon Avenue in Milpitas. It's 2 units side by side with a adjoining wall. That's a duplex. It's got 2-car garages for each side, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, around 1,700 to 1,800 square feet in each unit. The owner's unit has been completely remodeled, and that's what you'll see the photos online of that new unit. And the other one, the kitchen was new, and the other areas maybe need a little refreshing, the bathrooms. But great property for one you could live in and maybe rent the other. Or if you have dual families that want to come jointly together and live side by side, it's a great opportunity. I think it's a good price. We've got it listed at $2,498,888. So that's roughly about $1,250,000 for each unit. If they were sold individually on the market, standalones, they would be around $1.6 million a piece. So I think it's probably a good opportunity to buy both units. So that'll be open this Saturday from 2 to 4. And then the property at 395 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas, that's up. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,154 square feet. It does need updating. It's a clean property. They actually put in new windows, did a few other things, huge backyard. Nice, quiet little street. Really good price point. It's probably the cheapest home for sale in Milpitas. It's $1,198,888. So I'll be out there this Saturday from 11:30 to 1:30, and then on Sunday from 2 to 4. And offers will be due next week on that one. So we hope to have some good progress on that. And then coming up in a few weeks is 2221 Shiloh Drive in Milpitas, Shiloh Avenue. Milpitas, it's in Parktown, up near the foothills, a great area. It's a 4-bedroom, two and a half bath. Actually has a full bedroom downstairs, full bedroom and a half bath. So it's a great place for an office or guest quarters or, a teenager you can put downstairs. Nice big upstairs master bedroom. That bathroom's been fully remodeled. The master and also the hall baths upstairs are really great looking. Kitchen was remodeled quite a bit ago, but it's still decent. Windows are good. Really great decking in the back. It's got double decking as you come out. A nice view of the foothills. We put a new sod in the front. It's really going to be a nice property. It's going to be freshly painted. So that'll be cleaned and staged up in just about a couple weeks. So maybe we're about 3 weeks away from an open house on that. So I'll report in with you. That price point on that one is $1,998,888. So right below, just a nickel below $2 million, and that should get some good activity on that one. Then I'm still looking to bring on the market soon. Hopefully, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Milpitas. We'd listed that last year, and then the seller had to remove it for some other reasons, and then we were looking to remarket that this year. That's right around $800,000, but when I get some information on that, I can further update you. So that's what I have on the market now. That's what I've got pending. Excited. It's a great market here in Milpitas. So give me a call, 408-945-8988, or shoot me an email at giordanodj@aol.com. I'd love to meet you, go through your property, give it an assessment, and let you know what you can get in this fantastic market. So look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.